Snuggiwoo TV. Snuggiwoo's animal name rhymes, rims, caught, ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's learn animal names with Snuggiwoo. Each rhyme is filled with love, fun, and gentle facts to help kids remember and smile. Dog is loyal, loves to play, wags her tail all night and day. Snuggiwoo says she's your friend, her love and cuddles never end. Cat is clever, soft and sweet, purring gently when you meet. Snuggiwoo whispers she's so neat, with tiny paws and silent feet. Rabbit hops and loves to munch, carrots make a crunchy lunch. Snuggiwoo giggles, watch her jump, with fluffy tail and bouncy rump. Elephant's big and full of grace, with floppy ears and wrinkled face. Snuggiwoo says she's kind and wise, with gentle heart and giant size. Lion roars with mighty pride, golden mane and eyes so wide. Snuggiwoo cheers, he guards the land, a brave protector, strong and grand. Penguin waddles dressed in black, slides on ice and won't look back. Snuggiwoo smiles, he's cool and bright, a snowy friend in winter white. Turtle slow but never late, carries home upon her plate. Snuggiwoo nods, she's calm and wise, with peaceful steps and sleepy eyes. Words can chirp and flap and fly, painting songs across the sky. Snuggiwoo sings, they bring us cheer, with melody so bright and clear. Snuggiwoo loves each creature true, from jungle wild to sky so blue. Let's learn and laugh